This is considered to be a completely new principle of solar cells. I'm Kawasaki from the Quantum Phase Electronics Center and Department of Applied Physics and School of Engineering. It's in the title. The phrase non-dissipative means doesn't consume energy, and it's a very green term to match Spring GX topics. If you have a conductor and you plug it into an outlet, an electric current flows through it. This kind of phenomenon is generally called Ohm's current. This always produces heat when the current is applied and is dissipative. If you ask what kind of electric current does not consume any energy, it's called topological electron current. Shift current generates electrical current upon light illumination. It's been attracting a lot of attention in the last 10 years. You can create a slide in the semiconductor and spatially separate the electrons, with electrons sliding down to the left and the holes sliding down to the right. So we can spatially separate them. In this shift current, even without the slippage, the electrons are kicked out to the left and the holes are kicked out to the right. That is what we use. The phenomenon of the new 21st century solar cell is also a phenomenon that was actually discovered more than 60 years ago, and the principle was not understood for 60 years. This principle was discovered in 2016, and it has been a huge field of research for the past few years. The one on the right is a poorly made semiconductor that often gets high conductivity. This semiconductor does not easily conduct electricity because it is perfect. However, the current value that flows outward when this is exposed to light is exactly the same regardless of the quality of the semiconductor, and exactly the same amount of electricity is being extracted. This breaks the common sense understanding of semiconductors and means that electricity can be extracted regardless of defects or not. This is a very simple demonstration that this is already a completely new principle. To summarize, shift current, the photocurrent due to the interference effect of the new wave, this is what is occurring. I've tried my best to explain that the current is caused by the quantum effect, in short, the interference effect of waves, but there is no direct evidence yet. We still need an experiment that directly verifies the phenomenon to show that this is an interference effect. I think that the research finally will arrive at interesting findings moving forward.